Hello friends, it is Running Kimono, and this is just like a little midweek sort of video for Walgreens. I know a lot of you who are here are just for the Walgreens. So as you can see, top left hand side, this says only for you. This is a digital coupon manufacturer, so not every card gets it. This is the only Rimmel coupon I had on my store card, but it's $3.50 off of a face product. So we're going to do this for a curbside pickup. If you're going to do this in store, it will be a little bit more. Likely, possibly, probably. So this pressed powder transparent, so you put your makeup on and then you put this on and it keeps your makeup on all day. It's $3.17. I guess all Rimmel makeup is reduced down like 30 or 40% this week. And as you can see, that $3.50 coupon is in fact attaching. So this product at $3.17 with that 3 off of 50 coupon, it gets reduced down to cost 19 cents. And with the curbside pickup, they will bring this out to your car. So how great is that? This is the only freebie that I had because I know a lot of people are getting like a ton of makeup for free. Go through the app and see what you might have. Also, CoverGirl is really inexpensive. This is down to 99 cents. Not exactly free, but hey, it's better than a kick in the pants. This is $3 off of an eye product, so please load this one. And again, if you do curbside pickup, it's cheaper than in-store. In-store, it's so expensive for makeup. And then we also have this $3 off of a face product. So like a foundation, a concealer stick, that little loose powder, that good stuff, but something specifically like face makeup. So keep that in mind. At the very least, guys, load both of these because they expire in March and we could probably cook up a deal between now and then. So looking at some products, we have this little loose face powder for $4.99. As you can see, it's on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion, so not too shabby right there. And then the second product that we're going to be grabbing is one of these little eye quads for $4.49. Remember, it's on a buy one, get one 50% off. So, looking at the basket here, guys, and I will say that I threw in the Rimmel as well for the curbside pickup, so that's why the numbers are a bit higher. But $8.41 are all those coupons reduced down. And then for what I have for the loose face powder and that eye product, if you subtract the tax from this, it's like I'm paying 99 cents for both that face powder and the CoverGirl eye makeup. You could use $2 in points and pay 61 cents if you think that's a cool deal. Or maybe just get the Rimmel stuff if you're all about, free. But double, triple check your account if you might have other Rimmel digital coupons. I sadly only had that one. But if you love all things beauty, like make a deal happen here or there, because especially like that little translucent face powder for pennies, it's a really great deal. So good luck with this one, guys. Okay, the next two deals are courtesy of a subscriber by the name of Jamie. She sent me a quick message and she's on to something. So Jamie was out visiting a store that she normally doesn't visit. And she's like, hey, check this out. $9.99 down to $2.49. And Jamie used some of her Walgreens cash. And then IBOTTA has a very generous $5 back. So it would essentially make this free plus a $2.50 moneymaker. Now, you can only do this the one time, and you can do this either at, if you look at the bottom, available at Rite Aid or Walgreens. So, hey, it's a quick little freebie, and, if you need stuff, really great little stock up price when something's for free. If you've been on the fence about signing up for IBOTTA, sign up today, guys, and when you submit your first qualifying receipt, maybe you can grab this, you're going to be given a $20 bonus with my referral code. So check it out if you've been on the fence about this app. This is just a really good example of the power of IBOTTA when you can get a money maker on clearance items. And then I think Jamie needs to go buy herself a lottery ticket because she found these clearance dishwasher tabs, the 20 count of this ultra dish tablets. $1.99. This is on a monthly promotion of buy one, get one free. And she got them buy one, get one free. So 99 cents per box of 20. That is flippin' amazing. Your mileage may vary with clearance as always, but check if these things might be on clearance at your store. You lose nothing by checking at your local store, but two excellent deals. And again, thank you to Jamie who sent me a message. Both spectacular deals, like 99 cents for dishwasher tabs or free comp seed. Yep, that's absolutely what it's all about. Okay, so let's just talk about a bit of clearance that I've been finding myself that include these little cute little hand soaps by Walgreens. So they're 50% off at 69 cents. grab all of them and use some points. Well, you can see some magic right there if you're hand soap obsessed. That's one thing I love to coupon for. Maybe you guys can let me know what you like to coupon for, but specifically hand soap for me, I get really excited. And then we have these beautiful dials in this fancy little bottle, and they're $1.49. So like 50% off. If it was 70%, I'm sure it would be completely cleared, but sometimes at 50, this stuff just sits. Also in the baby aisle, lots of stuff is 50 or 70%. So if you are expecting, or if you have a little baby or going to a baby shower or gifting stuff to a mom, you might want to be stocking up on some of this stuff, or go to your local Walgreens and tiptoe around. Lots of great little items there that are really expensive. Like look at this, these lotions and potions, $12.49 down to $3.29. And I think that's that fancy organic stuff. Now, a deal that I was posting last week, I know a lot of you are still killing this because I'm getting a lot of DMs or photos on Instagram. So these pull-ups, there's either a Mickey Mouse one or like a Minnie Mouse one. On clearance for $3.29, we have a $2 digital till the end of the week, and then you would pay $1.29. IBOTTA is giving back $1. Shopkick is giving back $2. It would make it free plus a $1.71 moneymaker. Again, clearance is always your mileage may vary. This coupon is expiring by the end of the week, so be on the lookout if your store might have this on clearance. This is a deal you absolutely want to do. Okay, last thing we're going to talk about, if you're still here, I posted a video yesterday for the Dollar General clearance event that will be taking place this Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Well, I guess I don't know, they changed the rules up there a little bit. There's one slight error, but it's not a huge one. That degree spray, I was like, it's going to be 25 cents of overage. For whatever reason, the last clearance event, Dollar General coupons get reduced down to cost, so it will be a freebie. It's not overage. L'Oreal Elvive or Elvis will be overage because that's only with the manufacturer, and the rest of the stuff is dirt cheap. But just to clarify that for whatever reason, Dollar General coupons on a clearance item during a clearance event get reduced down to the cost of the item, so that'll be for free. That's one of those little booby traps that they threw in last time because I was like counting on that overage, but one of you guys pointed it out, and you're absolutely right on the money about that. And I guess, I was just like, I need money makers. So just to clarify that, just a slight little error there, but 25 cents of overage really won't make or break your shopping trip. So just be mindful of that. And if you like really killer deals, you're going to want to check out this video. It's going to be quite spectacular. They've recently put new stuff in the clearance section, lots of food, lots of new cleaners, lots of stuff that we really like to see for shopping. So if you have a Dollar General near you, definitely get out there and scout, or at the very least in the app, put this on your television and start scanning with the app and see what they have. And maybe, if they have a lot of this stuff in stock, your store is stocked for this event, and then just double, triple check before you head out on Friday morning. And, you can be in business to get a really nice haul. Like, I'm certainly looking forward to this day. Okay, guys, as always, thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.